Hello my friend, let's jump right in. Let's talk flavor. If you prefer it sweeter, try using sugar instead. Looking for a fresh kick? A splash of lemon juice does the trick. Or go bold, yujachong, that's Korean citron syrup. Or a spoon of orange marmalade will surprise you. Thinly slice cucumber and onion. The cucumber adds a light, crisp bite, perfect to balance the spicy sauce. Now for the noodles, somyeon. Drop them into boiling water and give them a good stir. That way, they won't stick together. After about 2 minutes, when the water starts foaming, pour in a bit of cold water in a circle. This helps the noodles cook evenly. Once it boils again, turn off the heat. Then rinse the noodles under cold water. Rub them gently to wash off the starch. Drain them well. Now they're perfectly chewy. Time to cook the bacon. You can use the same pan you boiled the noodles in. Place the bacon in the pan over medium heat and add just enough water to cover it. Sprinkle in a little black pepper. Let it cook until the water is gone and the bacon is fully cooked through. Want it crispier? Microwave it for 30 seconds or fry it a little longer over low heat. Then cut each slice in half. In a large bowl, add the noodles, the sauce, cucumber, and onion. Mix it well until every noodle is coated in that bold, red flavor. Place the noodles on a serving dish and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Then arrange the bacon slices around the noodles like a crown. And there you have it, bacon Bibim Guksu. The sweet and spicy noodles with that smoky, salty bacon. A perfect match. It's quick, flavorful, and satisfying. The smoky bacon brings depth to the spicy noodles, and it's totally worth the few extra minutes. Hope you give it a try.